got blue skies, but they've got the snow as well. Oh, Elwood! Elwood! Look at the snow! He's like, is that my rugby ball? What is it? What is it? Hey, come on. Yeah, I was hitting my head on the washing line. That's how deep the snow is. Hey, what is it? Oh, you like it, don't you? You do. What is it? What is it? He didn't like it when he was sleepy, but now that he's awake, oh, come on. When did you?
Come here.
What are you doing, my boy? Look at you.
Oh, look at this.
So that didn't bounce. Hello. It's the snow. He's eating it. You're just like a child. You have to eat the snow. He's like, whoa, what's that? No. You're a bit little for that.
Hey, what's this? Does that sound like...
Alright. Someone in our driveway. Hello.
Hey, Elwood. Elwood.
He's like, oh, there's fresh water. It's amazing.
It's like ice.
Elwood, come here, cutie. Come here, cutie. Oh, look at you. You look like a running idiot. Elwood, what are you doing? What are you doing? Do you love the snow?
Elwood. Elwood.
Go get him. Oh my God.
Belly's out.